Welcome to another tutorial. First of all, like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Then we are going to start a video. Please watch the full video. Do not skip. Open the pixel lab, select the text, edit by writing. Size the letter. Click the font. Adjust the font of letter. Duplicate the letter. Change the color. Adjust the letter. Select the 3D shape. The path 10. Change the letter of background color. Emboss button. Light angle. Shadow of letter. Change the background color. Duplicate the letter. Please like the video and subscribe the channel.